Hi guys, welcome back on Tech 8. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add location on Apple Maps. First of all, you can open the Apple Maps application. I can already open the maps, and after this, make sure if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. Now you can see the option add, that is plus icon. Tap on this. After tapping on this, you can search the location that you add on Apple Maps. I can search Hafiz Center, and now you can just simply tap on Hafiz Center and you can select your location, and after this you can now tap on done, and it is a way you can add location on Apple Maps. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.